Hello, class third. A very good morning to all of you. I hope all my kids are doing fine and healthy at their home or at their place. So, class third, as you all know that we have started with the 13th chapter of our EVS, which is sharing our feelings. And in our yesterday's session, we have read the first page of this chapter, that is page number 89, and we have learned about author's favorite people. We all have favorite people in our life. So similarly, the author also have two favorite people in his life. One was his nani and another was Ravi Bhaiya. And the author also told us about the activities with which his nani and his Ravi Bhaiya was fond of. So now moving on for today's session. In our today's session, we will be reading page number 90 and we will be doing certain questions that are there in page number 90 as well as 91 in our today's session. So everyone bachas, make sure to do the question answers in the book itself. Okay, so now let's begin with the chapter. So he has a good sense of humor and makes all of us laugh. So now the author was telling us about Ravi Bhaiya, and he was telling us that his Ravi Bhaiya is very fond of listening music. Apart from listening music, his Bhaiya likes to take part in plays. Various plays are there and his Bhaiya used to take part in the plays. Furthermore, class, his Bhaiya also enjoys chatting, means talking with his friends and going out with them. And he has a very good sense of humor, and because of his good sense of humor, he is able to make us laugh. So all his friends, family members are able to laugh because he has a very good sense of humor. Okay, now Bhaiya carries a white stick when he goes out. So he is telling us that whenever his Bhaiya goes out, he carries a white stick. Looking at him moving around in the house, no one can say that he cannot. Now the author is telling us about his Ravi Bhaiya, and he's telling us wherever his Ravi Bhaiya goes, he carries a stick. And the way he moves in the house, no one can say that he cannot see. In the house, he moves so perfectly that no one cannot say that Ravi Bhaiya is blind, and we know the people who are blind, they cannot see. Apart from walking, he likes to do all his work himself. So he's telling, apart from walking alone in the house, Ravi Bhaiya likes to do all his work himself. And if someone tries to help him against his wish, he gets angry. So in his house, if anybody is going to help Ravi Bhaiya apart from his wish, so he will get very angry. Whenever he needs any help, he asks for it. So just like all of us, when we need help, we ask for help. Similarly is the case with Ravi Bhaiya. Whenever Ravi Bhaiya needs any help, he will ask for the help. Some of Bhaiya's students take books from him and return them after recording them on tapes. So now Ravi Bhaiya seems to have lots of books of collections, and what his friends does, his friends, or you can say that some of his students as well as takes books from him and return them after recording them on tapes. Ravi Bhaiya listen to these tapes. So now his students also help. They take the book from Ravi Bhaiya and first they record on these tapes and then they share these tapes with him. Ravi Bhaiya have many other books too. So now Ravi Bhaiya is having many other books also. The pages of these books are thick and have rows of raised points dot. So now the author is telling us what type of books Ravi Bhaiya is having. He is describing the way the book looks. So the author is telling us the books are thick, thick means very fat, or you can say large amount, and have rows of raised dots. So the book does not have the alphabets, the book has dots. He read by running his finger on the raised dots. So how do the Ravi Bhaiya reads the book? He reads the book by running his finger on the raised dots. There are dots there, and by running his finger he is able to read the dots. To have fun with Bhaiya, I sometimes change the place of his stick. So now the author is telling us, sometimes the author is in a very good and in a friendly mood and he wants to enjoy. So what he does with the Ravi Bhaiya, so sometimes the author wants to have fun, so he keep away the stick of Ravi Bhaiya, so that the Ravi Bhaiya will watch his stick, he will search for his stick, and the author will play hide and seek with him because he is hiding away the stick of Ravi Bhaiya. He does not get upset but never gets angry. At times his Ravi Bhaiya gets upset but he is never angry. After all, I am his favorite sister Seema. So now the author is telling us her name, and the author's name is Seema, and the author is telling us that Ravi Bhaiya never gets angry because Seema is her favorite sister. Alright, I have hardly reached the door that Ravi Bhaiya spoke up. Now the author is telling us that she had hardly reached the door when Ravi Bhaiya spoke up. Seema, you seems to be very happy today. So now Ravi Bhaiya is able to tell whether Seema is happy. We were talking about Ravi Bhaiya. So Ravi Bhaiya is able to recognize whether Seema is happy or sad. So Ravi Bhaiya is saying that today Seema is very happy. Ravi Bhaiya recognizes not only me but all other family members from the sound we make as we move. So now Ravi Bhaiya is able to recognize all the members of the family by the way they make the sound through move. While walking, we all make sound. Some make a louder sound, some make a mild sound, and some does not even make sound. So the people who cannot see, they are able to recognize the people with the help of the sound. So similarly, Ravi Bhaiya is also able to recognize the sound of the people of the family through the way we move and the way we make sound. He can even tell whether I am happy or not. Apart from getting to know or recognizing his family members, he can tell whether his family member is happy or not. Now, Bhaiya, finally I am in the football team. I shared my news with him. So Seema is very happy today because finally Seema is able to go, or you can get is able to go, is selected in the football team, and she shared her news with him. He patted me and said lovingly, "From today, you're my football coach." So now Ravi Bhaiya is showing a very positive attitude, saying that from today onwards, you are my football coach. So Seema shares her good news and bad news with the family members Nani and Ravi Bhaiya, and we get to know about Ravi Bhaiya that Ravi Bhaiya cannot see, but he is able to recognize the people, and he is also able to tell whether the people are happy or sad. Alright, so class, please make sure to read page number 89 and 90 of your NCERT book, chapter number 13. And today we will also do the questions that are there in page number 90 and page number 91. So everyone, make sure to do these questions in a beautiful writing. Thank you.